What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Simon and I try to make learning the piano as fun and as easy as I can in order to help create as much music as possible. So today we are going to be looking at another chord of the month, which is just a little series I do. There's over 10 episodes now, so if you want to check out the full playlist, I'll put a link in the description below. And in this one, we're going to be looking at another voicing for a minor 11 chord, which sounds like this. Now, I know in a lot of these chord of the months, I seem to be doing minor 11 voicings, but they're my favourite, so why not? And there's so many awesome voicings that you can use for minor 11 voicings. So yeah, here's another one of my favourites. Let's do it. So in the key of C minor, here is the voicing. So this voicing is actually really cool because it doubles up as a major 13 voicing really easily, but we'll get to that in just a second. As a minor 11 voicing, the notes in terms of scale degrees are the minor third, the flat 7, the ninth, the fifth, and the root note up at the top. And it's got that really kind of emotional sound. Lots of lovely harmonies going on, not too much, not too sparse. It's a great one to practice and add to the collection. So a quick shortcut to help remember it, there's two parts, left hand and right hand. The left hand is just playing the two essential notes of the chord, the third and the seventh. And that bit you're just going to have to remember, but it's a pretty standard thing to play in the left hand with these sorts of voicings, so hopefully it's starting to seem a bit familiar by now. The right hand is playing a stack of fourths, which makes it much easier to remember. So you need to be familiar with this kind of shape. So these are all just stacks of fourths, and it's a really important shape to be comfortable and familiar with when learning these kind of voicings. So for this voicing in the right hand, you need to play this shape whilst keeping the root note on the top. So C minor, so obviously C is the root note, and that has to be on the top. So a couple of things about this voicing. The first thing is that you can substitute any standard minor chord or minor 7 or minor 9 chord with this voicing. And number two, this exact same C minor 11 voicing can be used as an E flat major 13. So E flat major is the relative major of C minor. And this voicing we've learnt, we can look at it as a C minor 11 voicing, and in that case the scale degrees of each note would be, as we said earlier, the minor third, flat 7, 9, 5 and root note. But if we change our perspective of it and play it as an E flat major chord, the scale degrees would now be the root note, the fifth, the major 7th, the 3rd, and the 13th up on the top. So this voicing really is a two-in-one kind of deal. To finish this video off, I just want to really quickly construct this chord in a couple of different keys. Let's play it as a G minor 11 voicing. So in the left hand, we have the 3rd and 7th, and in the right hand, we have a stack of fourths with the root note, G, up at the top. So as well as a G minor 11 voicing, this can also be used as a B flat 13 voicing. One more time in the key of D minor. Play the 3rd and 7th in the left hand, and play a stack of 4ths in the right hand, whilst making sure that the note D is at the top of that stack. So here we have a D minor 11, and also an F major 13. So hopefully you get used to that idea of using the same voicing for different chords. If this is new to you, awesome. You've just learnt something which is going to make your chord learning process so much quicker and easier. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.